Hey everyone, I'm Jason, and in today's video I'm going to show you two apps that you should delete from your device right away. So I've been getting a lot of messages. I had a video on TV Tap and I removed it, and a lot of people are asking me why I removed it, and well, this is the reason why. So I made this video just for you guys to be aware of. So there's two apps now. TV Tap has changed to TV Mob. So here's the direct link. As you can see here in the photos, it's the exact same, even when you do the download. So if I go to download, this is the reason why I'm going to show you guys right now why you should delete it and not install it. So here's the Fire Stick version. So I'm just going to click on it. As you can see at the bottom, it's starting to download. And if you pay attention, see where it says TV Mob Fire Stick. Now if I go to TV Mob, let's go to download. Right here, Fire Stick, click on it, pops up, and it's the exact same download. So they're both the exact same app. So now let's go back to our Virus Total website. So here's the first one. If I take it, just drag it here, it's going to scan it. And there you go. 19 out of 63. There's quite a bit of viruses here. So this is the reason why I'm telling you guys stay away from it. Here's from the other site. 19. So if you guys have the TV Tap and the TV Mob, delete it right away. I know they were a good app, but it's not worth it. Like causing issues with your devices afterwards. Okay guys, so hopefully this helps you out. If you guys have any other questions, please comment below. Make sure you hit those thumbs up. And once again, please hit that subscribe button, and thanks again for watching.